All right, guys, here we go. This is Psalmonica. This is their Root Activator, their Hair Growth Serum. I want to show you that. It comes in a really cool bottle with a little dropper on it, which is super sweet. So it says natural hair growth on here, growth support, less hair loss and breakage. It says stronger, thicker, fuller hair is what they are saying, and root strengthening nourishment. Tons of really cool stuff in it. I'm going to pop that around so you can definitely see that, taking a look at it with regards to the unit itself. Now, with this, all you're going to do is you're going to open it up. Okay, you got easy vials right there, and what you're going to do is you're going to take, and you got some in there, just like so. We're going to take, pop that in, and boom, 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 3 drops, and just like so, you're going to rub it in, and then rub it in your hair. So it's really important you get it good and rubbed in. Usually, Psalmonica is looking for 5 to 10 minutes of hair aspect to activate it properly. So as you're going to rub it in for a good 5 to 10 minutes and be able to get yourself taken care of. This is something that goes along with their Root Activator shampoo, their Root Activator conditioner, which I just got done using. So I'm kind of putting together the full process. So you have the whole lineup of the Psalmonica. So if you're looking to get yourself some proper hair shampoo and activate those roots 101, guys, this is the way to go. So great product, made in the USA. Definitely got to check them out.